y'all, for those who don't know how to take off the hood, I'm gonna tell y'all this, and I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. This is literally all you need. Take a look, man. What is going on YouTube, man? It's your boy J3RT, and I'm back with another lit video, man. As you can see by the title, we are about to do something special today to my car, man. This is gonna be the first, one of the first exterior mods. Now look, sometimes your engine needs to breathe, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a hint of exactly what it's gonna be, man. So it's a surprise within a surprise. Y'all already know technically what it is gonna be. So I'm about to get something with some nice little vents going on, man, that's finna make this car breathe when I drive and have it looking perfect. And it's not the front bumper or the back bumper. So what do y'all think it is, man? Drop something in the comments, man. But yeah, make sure you do this too for me, man. If y'all enjoy the content that I'm throwing out here, man, make sure y'all like and turn on your post notifications, man. I don't want y'all to miss me, and I want to be able to see and interact with y'all, man. I appreciate the people who has been watching my videos so far, and family, thank you so much for supporting and dropping comments and everything like that, man. I love that. Also, 2 videos ago, I hit a milestone. It's 400 views. I just need a big clap, man. I'm throwing a little claps in there. There we go, yo. I'm throwing the claps because that right there lets me know that there's people that actually care and appreciate the content I have going on. So I'm gonna keep that going, man. And we grinding all 365, man. So yeah, man, I gotta take off this hood, man. I'm gonna try to record myself doing it with one hand. I'm gonna see how this goes. If I didn't, man, I'm gonna leave out the clip. And I'm gonna give y'all some footage of me driving the car, man. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and hopefully when I make it there, we can get some lit content for y'all. So I'll end up seeing you guys soon, all right? Okay, y'all, for those who don't know how to take off the hood, I'm gonna tell y'all this, and I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. This is literally all you need. A popper and a 13mm. That's all you need. You wanna make sure you take these 2 off right here, and the other ones on the other side. Hood off. Also, when I take these off with the popper, when I take this cover off, you're gonna see this. This right here goes to your windshield. So I'm gonna show y'all how to take that off if I can get some good footage for it. There we go. So you wanna come with this, get up under here, pop. That's it. Make another clip real fast for y'all, man. Make sure you start with the top 2. One right here and the one right there. Make sure you start with the top so you'll have better control. What you're gonna have to do is lean the hood down a little bit and then loosen one of them. This piston thing right here, I forgot what it's called, is gonna force the hood up. It's gonna force itself up. So you gotta push it down all the way so you can have full control. And make sure you hold it, because I'm by myself. Make sure that you still hold it so it don't drop into your window, because this side is gonna stay up. Alright, I gave y'all that tip, man. Make sure y'all have 2 people. It's easier that way. So what I'm doing, now I got this out. So I'm gonna take this. I'm trying to make this as fast as I can for y'all. I'm gonna take this and pretty much put it back up so I can just carry the whole entire hood with this and I don't lose it, bend it, or break it or none of that good stuff. And there you go, man. Hood off. Now let's go ahead and head to where we're finna pick up the new one. First off, let me go ahead and get y'all a cold start before I pull off. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to do something about this back here. We're gonna have to get the round ones, man, because it's looking a little ugly. I might get them carving exhaust tips, man. It depends on what's going on, man. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned for it, man. For sure, for sure. So I love my car. She ain't the fastest in the world, but she definitely about to be, man. I can't wait till I do these mods, bro. I cannot wait till I do these mods to this engine. Right now I decided to focus more on aesthetics, you feel me? Because can't put all that stuff into an ugly car, you feel me? And I might as well have something that look nice. So come this time next year, when you see me with them headers, when you see me with that cam upgrade, when you see me putting in all the extra little stuff to this engine, bro, making it like a tank, bro. I'll be like, damn, man, this boy going crazy. Bro, this boy going crazy. That's what I'm finna be doing, man. So y'all just stay tuned for the process, man. I might catch a little bit more footage, man, and all that good stuff. But we'll see how it go, man. Again, I appreciate everybody for watching if y'all made it this far. Wait for the big reveal, man.
Might learn to speak Mandarin. Japanese for the yen that I'm handling. International hoe, that's my handle. Everything around me.
Alright, y'all, I'm here, man. What's going on? You mind being in the video? Cool. Let me take a look, man.
Put it on the...
Oh, that's the wrong one, man.
God.
Man, I just loaded so bad. It's the one with the vents on the side over here.
No. It's not same.
It's not the one. See how they come in with the hood off, man. That guy we ended up seeing, he bought the wrong one, so we're gonna have to kind of wait for a minute. Because I did want to get the red eye, he got me the Hellcat. So, hey, if things go wrong, maybe I'll cut a deal and have the Hellcat one. But I really want the red eye though, so we're gonna have to sit and wait. Till then, y'all can admire the beauty of the car. So I want to get this fixed off here, man. This straight trash, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever had this car before me, bro, they ain't know what they was doing, man. Y'all see that Hemi thing? I ain't tell y'all about the intake I put on here, man. I had got some slight, man. We gonna get a little before shot, man. I already got one. Dang. She need to watch, man. The same thing on YouTube as it is on all social media platforms. The real J3 RT. Come back in 2 minutes? Alright. So we're gonna wait about 2 minutes. We're gonna see the reveal of the other one, man. Hopefully it's what it's supposed to be, man. You know what I'm saying? I wanna get them a nice shining review, you feel me? We can go on our merry way. Got me picking it up for about $500. I found it on the market. It wasn't that bad, you know what I'm saying? It looked nice. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? He said he gonna help me put it on. So I'll probably get back to y'all when we doing that. Until then, man, like I said, love, peace, and blessings, 100, all that good stuff, man. Those bad guys. This might have been a blank mission, man. Let's see what we got going on, man. I don't know. I just took this drive, man. I'm really wasting my gas. We're gonna see how it goes. He's talking about bringing out another hood, but I already know I specifically wanted the red eye hood. So I'm a little disappointed. So I gotta make the most out of this video, man. I'm not wasting no footage, but for anybody, y'all can see exactly what is going on and exactly what is happening right now. And what is happening right now is that they're telling me they might not have it up in stock. We're trying to find it. If he can't find it, we're gonna leave without a hood. I'm gonna just put the old one on and we're just gonna do what we gotta do, man. I mean, I'm a little disappointed, but hey, I had a nice fun little drive. I made a little video for y'all. I'm gonna check in when he come out, man, and we gonna have a talk and see what's going on. I might record, I might not. We're gonna find out. I'll talk to y'all, man. Oh, see. Damn. Does look good, man, but it's not what I wanted, man. Yeah. Dang. Sheesh. Good quality too. Damn. You said it might be a week before you get the other one.
A week.
Damn.
Yeah. I called my boss. He told me, yeah, we got one. They said, oh shit, we sold. So, he told me, I've been waiting too much. You know.
That sucks, man. Shit. What's up with these Hello Kitties in the dash, man?
I speak with my kids.
Your kids?
Yeah, my kids.
Dang. This is the police package?
Sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same like yours.
Sheesh. Y'all got the oh man. Oh, you did the back too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Changed it.
Damn. Jeez.
After we changed the rear, diffuser, and the front, new lights.
How big them tips is?
Yeah.
How big are they? It's like,
Yeah.
god damn. You talking about, yeah. It look like 5'6". Shit. Yeah, what you got?
Yeah.
What's exhaust? What's that?
We got it straight. Only
Straight
like,
pipe?
Like the middle only.
Why mine don't sound like that, man? Shit.
I like your car too. Too.
Man.
Like same V8 too. Like same.
Oh, yeah.
And you don't connect this.
Sheesh. Damn. So you mine a little quiet, man. You got mine. Damn. Hold on. My car a little quiet, man. Hey, man.
Crazy, right?
Yeah. So I guess we gotta work out a day. A day for when the next one comes. You gotta text me.
Waiting to the next part.
Yeah,
You know, like you know.
Yeah. I'm telling them I'm hyping them up about it and everything.
Yeah,
I thought. Yeah.
I'm very sorry. So.
You know, so you said in about a week from now, you might give me a call or maybe text me or.
Yeah, I will text you when the hoods coming. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you order the bumpers and hoods, so
Okay.
yeah.
You said the bumpers. How much the bumpers normally run?
I think so 550.
What is it like the Hellcat bumper, the Scat Pack?
Yeah, I'm sure you. Okay.
Okay. What different?
Oh, but this is a customer.
Y'all carry the rears too?
You can't have lights.
Yeah.
Like more. I like more lights. You know.
I actually like the lights on there compared to the other
Yeah.
ones. I ain't gonna lie. They gonna have to go when I get this bumper. So.
Yeah.
I will, man. Just I guess
Next time change your
change the bumper out.
bumper. You know, like the lights right here.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about. I consider it, bro. I'm thinking about it. Right now, my focus is the hood. See you want to say out the inside. See? Oh, you got the Scatty?
Yeah.
Oh. Man, I want to get the Alcantara.
My boss sold too much seats. If you need, let me know. And this car different police, you know.
I wanted to get the police version, but I found out they had an 8-speed, so I was like, nah. I'm just go ahead and deal with it. Put it up for the winter.
I'll show you. Now come.
Take it out the center console.
You know everything. everything.
Oh yeah.
We put the new lights. I put the different, different
You got
seat,
different stereo in
yeah.
there.
Ah,
Damn. Oh yeah. Why you didn't put the I would kept the bumper on, the little the thing you had in the front.
yeah.
I would kept the police on there.
The police? Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I would kept the crash bar.
We not could because we removed the blueprint. We put the different, so we don't have time,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, man. Well, look, so your name is Giovanni?
Giovanni,
Giovanni
nice to
James.
meet you, okay? And follow me, okay? Subscribe it, like, okay? Nice, okay? So, I'm so sorry for waiting, so next
That's
time
cool.
I have your hood, okay?
Okay.
So, after going to
You know, you got a guarantee buyer, so
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just waiting on it. You gonna have it posted on YouTube. I'm gonna make sure to follow you back too.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can get something going, man. If you want to drive around.
alright,
Yeah.
alright. Thank you so much, okay?
For sure, man.
Alright.
All right, y'all. So it was a bust, but let's look on the bright side. I got a new friend. You know what I'm saying? That's hey, I got a new friend and got something together, man. My man's got me right. Hey, you finna show. Yeah, so I got a new friend, man. So I guess I got something out of the video today. So lesson learned, man. I drove out here basically for no reason. We ain't gonna trip about it though. So look, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna end up posting the second part to this video. So I'm gonna end the video here, y'all. What I want you to do is like, comment, man, and please drop a subscription for me, man. Drop a subscription for your brother, man. I will have more lit videos, man, rollbacks, all type of good stuff, man. I appreciate y'all for following, man. It's all love, man. Peace and blessings, man. True to the heart, young boy. It's your boy J3RT, and I'm checking out with another video.